here to set the record straight. Being emotional isn't the problem. It's being able to communicate your emotions in a way that's meaningful, real, and effective. Hi, I'm Mallory Grimsey. I am a teen therapist, and I'm here to help you improve your mental health. If that is something that you're into, please be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so that you're notified every single time I post a new video. Raise your hand if you've ever been called emotional by somebody. If you've ever been called emotional, you know it doesn't usually feel great. But what if I told you that being emotional is actually a superpower? When I was a kid, I was called sensitive and emotional so many times that I believed that that's just who I was. They weren't necessarily wrong about that. In fact, it's what makes me such a great, caring therapist today. But when I was a kid, it didn't feel that great. I didn't know that being emotional was a superpower. The truth is that when it comes to noticing, identifying, and expressing emotions, that can make people feel really uncomfortable, especially if they're not in touch with their own emotional experience. In fact, it can be really inconvenient for people to have to identify that the impact of whatever they did or said wasn't what they intended. As young children, we're often trained to express things that we don't actually mean, like telling somebody I'm sorry when you're not sorry. It can make it confusing to know how to trust what you're feeling and saying and trust what other people are feeling and saying too. It can be hard to know how to put words to your experience and then share that with other people in a way that they can understand and comprehend what it is that you're trying to express to them. That's actually why I created the 10 therapist approved tips for talking about your feelings, which you can get by clicking the link in the description. It's where I share some of my favorite strategies on how to talk about your feelings so that people can understand what it is you're trying to say and that they want to hear what you're saying too. I've been getting such a positive response to this new cheat sheet that I created that I decided I'm going to do something a little bit different. It's something that I haven't done before here, so you're going to be one of the first people who gets special access to this. I'm going to create a special invite-only live training on one of the strategies that I teach my clients in my group therapy and individual counseling. This free live workshop will be all about how to ask for anything you want and be taken seriously. You'll learn how to stay focused and open to opportunities that get you what you want, the 4-step guide for what to say, 3 keys for how to say what you need to say, and be taken seriously. If that is something that you're interested in, go ahead and sign up for this free online training class right in the description box below. And if you have anything that you want included in this one-time event, please send me a message and let me know. When you sign up, you'll have the opportunity to ask me anything about communicating and talking about your feelings. So take advantage of that. That way I can tailor this class to what you want to learn. Anyone who signs up but can't actually make it live, that's okay. You'll still get access to the replay. I can't wait to connect and see you there. And if you know somebody who could benefit from this class or just the information in this video, please be sure to share this with them. You never know who you could be helping in the process. Thanks for watching.